Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of missed abortion with soft tissue edema. You can see the fetal head and the fetal head shows a marked soft tissue edema on the fetal head, all around the fetal head. Although a variety of terms are used to describe early pregnancy failure, in the presence of clear-cut sonographic evidence that a non-living embryo is present, the term embryonic demise should apply. Ultrasound diagnosis of miscarriage should only be considered when either a mean gestational sac diameter is equal to or more than 25 millimeter with no obvious yolk sac or a fetal pole with a crown rump length of equal to or more than 7 millimeter without evidence of fetal cardiac activity. Now you can see the fetal soft tissue edema on the fetal head. Transvaginal ultrasound is the mainstay in the diagnosis of miscarriage. So the soft tissue edema is present. A missed abortion is a non-viable intrauterine pregnancy that has been retained within the uterus without spontaneous abortion. Typically, no symptoms exist beside amenorrhea, and the patient finds out that the pregnancy stopped developing earlier when a fetal heartbeat is not observed or heard at the appropriate time. An ultrasound usually confirms the diagnosis. Now you can see the placenta is anteriorly attached and blood flow is seen in the placenta, but no blood flow is seen in the fetus, in the fetal heart. No fetal movements are seen. In addition to signs of fetal life, on sonography, subchorionic bleeding is an important factor affecting the outcome of gestations in patients with clinical threatened abortion. The most common cause for first trimester spontaneous abortion is fetal chromosomal abnormalities. The duration of pregnancy of this patient was 15 weeks. Now you can see this is the fetal heart and it shows no fetal cardiac activity and no blood flow was seen. While most practitioners wait until up to the 6 weeks to perform the first ultrasound, a gestation sac can be seen as early as 4.5 weeks. After the last periods, a heartbeat can be detected as early as 5 to 6 weeks, though it might not be detected that early in all cases. But here the duration of the pregnancy is 15 weeks, so heartbeat must be seen. A missed abortion is a missed miscarriage in which the fetus didn't form or fetal demise had occurred, but the placenta and embryonic tissue are still in the uterus. It is known more commonly as missed miscarriage. It is also sometimes called silent miscarriage. A missed abortion is not an elective abortion. Now you can see the fetal lower limbs, fetal femurs, but no movements are seen. Missed miscarriage means that the baby has stopped growing or there is fetal demise, but there are no miscarriage symptoms such as bleeding or pain. It can also be called a delayed miscarriage. Some women do not experience any symptoms of miscarriage at all. However, possible miscarriage signs beside bleeding include pain in the back or abdomen, loss of pregnancy symptoms such as nausea or vomiting, white pink mucus, passing tissue or clot like material. To make the diagnosis with ultrasound, the finding may include but not limited to the absence of fetal pole, lack of growth of fetal pole with no evident cardiac activity, lack of yolk sac at the appropriate gestational age, D-shaped yolk sac or placental separation. The umbilical cord formed by the fifth week of development, replacing the yolk sac at the source of nutrient for the embryo. Umbilical cord is a cord that connects the developing baby to the mother in uterus. The umbilical cord attaches to the baby at the abdomen and to the mother at the placenta. The cord forms during the fifth week of gestation, that is, seventh week of pregnancy. You can see again and again there is no fetal movements, no fetal cardiac activity, no blood flow is seen in the fetus. In case of fetal demise, that fetus that has been in the uterus for 4 weeks can cause changes in the body's clotting system. These changes can put a woman at much higher chances of significant bleeding if she waits for a long time after the fetal demise to deliver the pregnancy. The term early fetal death refers to the condition in which the fetus is no longer alive but the uterus has not yet started to expel its contents. A variety of terms were previously used to describe this condition, including blighted ovum, missed abortion, and silent miscarriage. Miscarriage is a word used to describe an early loss of pregnancy before 20 weeks of pregnancy. It usually happens in the first trimester. Unfortunately, between 10 and 15% of known pregnancies end in miscarriage. There are three hypothetical causes of fetal demise in first trimester. Parvovirus fetal infection, primary viral infection of the myocardial cells, initially causes myocarditis, leading to hydropic cardiac failure and demise. Then there is bone marrow transit aplastic crisis, and placentitis is another cause. That without fetal infection can cause placental dysfunction and ultimately fetal demise. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.